Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
This is the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition for Tuesday, the 2nd of January. I'm James Spann. Frigid, Arctic, bitterly cold air stays in place through Friday. Let's get in there and talk about it. When does the warmth come back? That's the question now. There's the water vapor satellite view. Probably not anytime soon. Big trough over the eastern states. The delivery mechanism with a cross-polar flow. Do we dare peek at the numbers? These are at 5 o'clock. Single digits, 8 for Cullman and Haleyville, 9 for Decatur, 10 for Huntsville and Fort Payne, Birmingham at 12, Gadsden at 12. Around the region, St. Louis 0, Nashville 7, Louisville 2. And up north, temperatures way below 0. Looks like Chicago 10 below. And a secondary chunk of that will break away, and we'll feel that by Thursday and Friday. So that's the reason we're saying we'll stay frigid through Friday. Check the watch warning map this morning around the nation. Pretty quiet. Interesting to note, winter weather advisories on the East Coast. This includes places like Savannah and Charleston. The Outer Banks in North Carolina for a big coastal storm developing, but that's going to stay east of Alabama. Thunder, maybe the Atlantic coast of Florida from Daytona Beach down to Miami, but generally speaking, everybody just cold. No thunder today for much of the country. Here's the precipitation for the next 7 days, valid through Tuesday morning of next week. Pretty big numbers for the upper part of the Pacific coast. And around here, this is suggesting rain amounts about 1 inch for the Tennessee Valley, under 1/2 inch for the south, and that's with our next chance of rain, and that should be Monday. So model fans, let's take a look. This is the GFS. The 06C run at noon today. Part of the trough moving to the northeast United States. A new wave coming down through the Great Plains that will be sharpening up the trough again in coming days. And for us, just cold and dry. The big question can, like places like Birmingham where they keep the records, get above freezing. We've been below freezing since about 4 o'clock Sunday afternoon. And I don't know. That's a big 1044 high coming in. The bottom line is today will be mostly sunny. Highs low 30s in most spots. These are the anomalies today. And again, very cold air for the eastern half of the country. Tomorrow, the coastal low begins to form east of Daytona Beach, off in the Atlantic. And for us, we'll probably see temperatures 37 to 40. So no doubt we do go above freezing tomorrow. And again, the sky, I'd say partially sunny. This is Thursday. New surge of cold air drops in. Highs will drop into the low and mid-30s again, between probably 31 and 34. And look at that coastal storm. Wow. That's pretty crazy. Very windy. Snow for Boston. This is suggesting rain for the Cape Cod. Some snow for New York City and Long Island. The bigger snows maybe for the eastern tip of Long Island. But that's going to be very, very windy and just nasty up there. This is Friday. The new surge of cold air floods into the U.S., and Friday will be cold and dry. We'll start the day in the teens. We'll be in the teens every morning this week. The high Friday, probably, again, mid-30s. This is Saturday as the weekend begins. Saturday morning, again, I think we see teens. But the daytime high should be in the low 40s. The sky should be sunny. And this is Sunday. Hey, we might see 50 on Sunday, and the weather looks dry. We're getting better agreement here with the modeling on the next chance of rain, and that will be rain, not snow or ice. Let's go to Monday, and there's your rain. Monday's high should be in the 50s, like a tropical heat wave. The European, very good agreement. Same thing. This is Monday at noon, suggesting rain with highs in the 50s. And then next week, the trough begins to sharpen up again over the east, and a new surge of cooler air comes in. Not as cold as this week, but still, it keeps temperatures below average. Here's the end of the forecast period. This is Thursday of next week, the 11th of January. Big vortex over Hudson Bay, and again, that looks kind of cold and kind of dry. Check the numbers off the European. After the frigid blast this week, next week, Highs potentially around 50 and lows in the 30s. So still below average, but at least a whole lot closer than what we have going on here this week. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.